to challenge the Stone Seam champion. Choose your weapon, Chris. Which of these products would you like to use? So we're going to use Superior Gold as the product of his choice. All right, so Chris, get this color ready. Bob's got his hinge ready. So when you guys are done, just say, put your hand up, say I'm done. Okay, so let the record show 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Okay, so we got 6, it was like 6.5 versus 8. So this is the clarity of Stone Seam. And we'll pass that around. This is the color of the product that our challenger is using right out of the can. So if you guys want to make a bright white, which you guys want to start with? This is the competitor product after in a UV chamber that simulates the Arizona sun. So one week in the UV chamber is a couple months in the Arizona sun. So we're going to rate the cost. So this product, we just looked online. These are publicly available pricing. This is the average of several distributors that we found that are selling this product. Next we're going to do color match. So I'm going to invite the judges to look at the color match of both seams. And we'll do the strength test because that's going to be the fun part. We like breaking stuff. A round of applause for our Stone Seam champion. You saw it here, guys. You saw it here. We're coming for you.